Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alia Tahira binti Amin Aftari. My number metric is 251063575. Okay, now in this video, I want to present my project titled Smart Motion Based Security System using Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, before I explain the network design or this system, I would like to explain how the system works. So this is my system is an automated security system. So where the input is a motion detector. From this motion detector, we detect movement. For example, a thief. Second, process. This system has a signal that goes to the gateway, which acts as a brain. Third is output. This system has output that will be received, that will be turned automatically turn on the siren and CCTV webcam when have a motion at the motion detector. Last is monitoring. So my system has monitoring system where the admin can see the status or condition devices change instantly on the PC screen. Alright. In this video also, I want to simulate into 3 key area, which is first, network design, where I use a hybrid topology. Second is IoT configuration and logic. And the third is packet flow analysis using the OSI model. Okay, now move on to the network design. In this network design, I use a hybrid topology. This is my topology system. Why hybrid topology? Because I mix the wireless and wired connection. I divided my system into 2 parts or 2 zones, which is this zone is a wireless zone and this zone is a wired zone. In this wireless zone, it contains a motion detector, siren, CCTV, and the controller tablet to monitor the wireless monitoring. In this wired connection, it included switches, admin PC, and IoT server. So for the wired connection, I use a cable for the stability and the safer to the admin PC. Okay, now we zoom a little bit to the this physical layer. I want to share why I use this cable, black line cable. This black line cable, I connect the gateway to the switch using this black cable, and the switch to the PC. So this was the correct connection. In the layer 2, I use a Cisco 2960 as a switch. 2960 where a Cisco switch. Why I use this switch? Because this switch is smart. It manages the data traffic, so the network does not get jammed or lagging. As you can see, all the links are connected green. This green triangle. So this means that the connection is good. Okay, now move on to the IP setting. What IP address I use in this system? This IP configuration IP address 192.168.1.1.0.1. So this is the IP address I use in this system. Okay, for the IP setup, I use a static. Why I use static IP configuration? I use static because the static means the IP will not change, so that the security will be secure. And also for that, by using the static IP, the admin PC will always stay connected to the gateway without any error. Now I want to explain or show what happened to the system, or to the what the monitoring system in this system. So we click the admin PC and open the web. So firstly, this interface will have to put I log out first. So I can show how I log in to the home gateway. Okay, now we enter the username and password. Okay, after enter, we submit to log in. Okay, after submit and after login, we can see that in this interface, all the devices has been connected to this admin PC, or we can see that we can monitor the devices status. So I click on this siren, motion detector, and CCTV. So now it's not turning on because no motion detect. I set up these devices if the siren and CCTV turn on if the motion has a detection. So how to test it? So first, we assume that this cursor is a thief, and if the thief is around the motion detector, the interface here also will be turned on, which is will be buzzer and will be record the thief. Okay, so automatically when I do again, when the thief around the motion detector, all the interface will be turning on. Okay, right. So this is about the web browser. In this simulation, I filter just IoT and TCP where I want to see the trigger motion. So same as the web browser, I have to send something to the motion detector. So here, so this is a packet. So this packet will be received to the motion detector. Okay, start the simulation. Okay, now the packet has been received by the home gateway. So I click and to see the layer at the home gateway. This is the layer in OSI model at home gateway. As we can see, this is at the layer 2, layer 1 here, and layer 3. Okay. I want to explain at the layer 3, which is we can see that the source IP, which is the motion detector, and the destination IP, which is the gateway. In this layer is like an address on an envelope. It will ensure the data is routed to the correct controller and not sent to the wrong places. Okay, next is layer 4 at the home gateway. In this layer 4 is a transport header. This system use TCP protocol. Why use TCP? Because it provides a reliability. In a security system, we cannot afford to lose any data. So if the connection is unstable, TCP will resend the packet automatically until the gateway receive it. So this will guarantee that the siren will always turn on when the thief is detected. Okay, so start back. So after the packet go to the home gateway, it will go to the switches and go to the MPC. Okay, let me fast forward this. Okay, now the siren will be turned on, so the packet has been received to the siren. Okay, siren send back to the home gateway, to the switches, and to MPC. Okay, here I pause. So here the right tick, we can see from the admin PC also has been received the siren. Okay, start back the simulation. Okay, now the webcam also right click, right tick. Okay, fast forward it. That's all for the simulation, and I go back to the real time. At the real time, the detection will be automatically turned off. Okay, so they automatically turn off after the simulation. I want to share about my my challenging doing this system or doing this project. I want to share why I use this switch and cable, because at first when I want to start my project, I want to try all the connection full wireless, but we know that wireless signal have a problem, so I need to change it to the hybrid design, where the admin PC need to use wire, so this black wire or black cable, so that the monitoring system is strong and stable. Okay, another that I want to highlight my challenge I have facing during this project, where I keep getting request timeout error and server reset connection message. So I keep getting that message when I want to open the web browser. This web browser, I keep getting request timeout. At first I confused and I don't know how to troubleshoot it, but after rechecking rechecking the IP address, the connection, I configure it multiple time, I realized that my IP address setting was incorrect, where it did not match the gateway, And after I realized that, I managed to correct the IP configuration. After it fixed, the web browser connected successfully, just like now. So finally, I could control the system without any issue. So in this conclusion, this project has taught me the importance of precise configuration. So we need to focus and always checking back where the setting IP address. Okay, so now my system is stable, secure, and fully functional. Thank you very much.